I built a PC in a tank. This is our most powerful gaming PC ever. Intel Core i9-12900K paired with Gen 4 NVMe drives and 64 gigs of Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM. But this build is extremely unique. We created a case that looks like a tank, and this is built out of MDF wood. The case has two separate levels to hide cables and to create a cooling chamber for the radiators. We even airbrushed the panels to create shadowing. Bringing all of the components together, we went with not one, but two MSI RTX 3090 graphics cards. And we liquid cooled everything to get the most performance possible. Would you want something like this? What do you want to see next?